Hi everybody, my name is Andrea Marseglia, representing Bartender, one of the top 10 regional winners for Jameson Black Barrel competition. With me today, we are going to make my simplified version of my cocktail, Jupiter's Acorn, featuring Jameson Black Barrel. So we start with the start of the show. 50 milliliters of Jameson Black Barrel. That's going to go straight into the glass. And then we're going to follow up with 10 milliliters of Frangelico liqueur, so a hazelnut liqueur. It's going to give a really lovely nutty and sweet backbone to the drink. And then last but not least, our sweetness, which is a almond syrup or almond orgeat. Of course, all those lovely ingredients can be found at your local liquor land. So just ask the staff what you're looking for. And then we have 2 drops of our chocolate bitters. 1 and 2. Now we're going to add ice in the glass and we're going to stir it to dilution. Okay. We want to have always the glass full of ice, and we're slowly stirring for about 15 to 20 seconds to allow the drink to become smooth and not too alcoholic when you drink it. And the garnish is going to be a very simple but quite refreshing lemon zest coin that we're going to express on the top of the glass to release some freshness to the drink. Okay, the drink should be quite nicely diluted. Taste test. Delicious. And now with our little lemon zest coin, we're going to express the oil on the cocktails and also on the rim of the glass as well. There you have it. Jupiter's Acorn. Enjoy.